Odontogenic tumors are a diverse and heterogeneous group of tumors comprising epithelial tissues from tooth-forming elements and ectomesenchymal tissue. The ameloblastoma is an epithelial odontogenic tumor. There are various types of ameloblastomas. Radiographically, they are almost indistinguishable. They are similar in the following ways. They are expansile, destroying bone as they grow, and they can cause facial deformity. Since the deformity is unilateral, this makes noting a patient's facial symmetry very important. Ameloblastomas are best diagnosed on panoramic or CT scan radiographs because of the extensiveness of the lesion. So ameloblastomas originate from the tooth germ, stratified squamous cell epithelium, and enamel organ tissues. As we said, there are several types of ameloblastomas. The multicystic or solid ameloblastoma is slow-growing and expansile. It's very locally aggressive, has a high recurrence rate even after surgery, and usually is present in young adults. Peripheral ameloblastomas proliferate in soft tissue and can be mistaken for other soft tissue lesions we have studied. It's also a very rare type of ameloblastoma. The unicystic ameloblastoma is slow-growing, locally aggressive, comprises about 10% of all ameloblastomas, and like the other ameloblastomas, are expansile. This is usually in a younger patient. 50 to 80% are associated with a tooth, and so it's often difficult to distinguish between ameloblastoma and a dentigerous cyst. Dermoblastic blastomas occur in the anterior jaw, which makes it rather distinctive, but they only comprise about 4 to 13% of ameloblastomas. They are a mixed radiopaque and radiolucent. They grow slowly and, like all ameloblastomas, are expansile. While ameloblastomas are benign, there is a variation that acts like a malignancy, the malignant metastatic ameloblastoma. This is similar to a benign melanoma, but with metastatic spread. Ameloblastic carcinoma may start spontaneously or from an existing ameloblastoma or odontogenic cyst, and the characteristics are the same for ameloblastoma and carcinoma. Mixed odontogenic tumors have elements of epithelial and ectomesenchymal tissue. There are 3 types of odontomas: compound, complex, and complex cystic. The compound odontoma has the appearance of multiple tooth-like structures. It is asymptomatic and may interfere with the eruption of teeth. Detection of odontomas rely on clear, well-positioned radiographs. Complex odontomas are an irregularly shaped mass of enamel, dentin, and cementum. They too may interfere with tooth eruption. A complex cystic odontoma is a combination of a complex odontoma and a dentigerous cyst. It is thought that the cyst, a dentigerous cyst, arises around the odontoma. The damage of odontomas is well apparent. They interfere with tooth eruption and can be very large, severely displacing the unerupted tooth. This concludes the lecture on odontogenic tumors. As always, if you have any questions or comments or issues, please contact me. Thank you.